Uh, Not much on the ammo front around here right now. I've seen some stuff that I'm just not really interested in right now, but went to Walmart earlier trying to find something to put all my mags in. I've got a mess in the safe and on top and blah blah blah, but found this little 12 can cooler. This shit was on sale. It's like 12 bucks. Pretty good looking little deal. I'm gonna put my mags in it. Stopped by a local gun store and picked up this Ruger 45 ACP mag. It's for the SR 1911. And went by another gun store and they got some of these Anderson lower parts kits in. Good little deal. 59 bucks. It's not the greatest price, but it's not the worst either. I'm gonna build 3 or 4 cheap ones and stick them back. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here in the next little bit. I'm waiting on parts. It's a damn shame, but what are you gonna do? It is what it is. But anyway, you guys take care. Shoot straight. Hope you're finding what you need. I got some messes to clean up and see if I can get reorganized here. Anyway, you guys take care. Later.